In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build this gazebo step by step, and before we dive in, I just wanted to mention that this gazebo was gifted to me. Things to keep in mind, it comes in 4 boxes. Box number 1 includes our posts, and look how pretty it is. The parts are very clearly labeled. They are wooden as well and smell absolutely amazing. Box number 3 includes some of the hardwares, connectors, hooks, some of the posts. Box number 4 has our assembly instructions, all of the necessary hardwares, and our roof parts. First, we're gonna go ahead and install our brackets to the wooden posts. This is how it's supposed to look once you're done. Next, we're gonna go ahead and work on our A-frame, and we're just gonna connect these 2 posts to the bracket. And just make sure to pay a close attention to the hole positioning. Now we are moving to connection parts 16 and 15, and we're gonna use the T3 connector for it. And we're gonna be putting this A5 on the sides. Here's how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect our feet to our sides. And now we're gonna go ahead and connect all 4 sides together. And this is how it looks so far. We are moving to parts 11 and 12, and they go on the sides of the pergola. Next, we are moving to adding more support to our corners by placing these brackets. And I really like how simple it is to follow directions. It has a lot of pictures and everything is very nicely labeled. After assembling our A-frames, we're gonna go ahead and connect it to our gazebo frame. And here's what we have so far. And now we are moving to the next part, and it's building this ones. These parts are metal, so it's gonna be sturdy, and it has this very nice coating that's supposed to prevent from rust, so that's really nice. Here's a closer look at the roof panels. They are made out of metal, and it is pretty thin.
But it's okay for roof.
And the plus of this very lightweight roof is that it doesn't put a lot of pressure on our construction, so it's not gonna collapse from the weight. And we are done. Done. Look how pretty it looks. And look how pretty my final result turned out. I am absolutely in love with it. Took us 3 evenings, 1 hour after work every day to complete the whole thing. And it was actually my husband's first ever gazebo construction building by himself. So it was very easy, and we absolutely loved the process, and we loved the final result. So here's my yard before, and this is how it looks now. I think the transformation is so much worth it. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider giving me a like and a follow.